Good morning. Today is Sunday. Sunday. Instead of being, I don't know, on the beach, relaxing, seeing Netflix. Netflix, yeah. A sopra. I'm in my garage cleaning and organizing a little bit. Everything is a mess. I have been working a lot and I didn't have chance to reorganize and clean but I'm doing it right now. And when you have a small business and you are the owner, you need to do whatever you have to do, right? So just putting away some products, reorganize the upright vacuum. I move these racks so we will have more space to move. So many things that I have to reorganize, but let me show you a little bit. This is one of my protein backpack vacuum HIPAA Super Coach. Some people ask me what kind of products or what kind of vacuum I use. That's the reason why I'm recording this. The other one, I have two Sierras that is in my car. One for pet owners and the other one normal. This is a Power Flight brand, and this is my upright Simplicity Hoover. Another one is HIPAA Hoover upright vacuum. About the disinfectants, I use Vital Oxide for residential and commercial sanitizing and disinfecting. Hand sanitizer for ourselves, so we can sanitize our hands. Surface is a commercial disinfectant. It smells strong, but it's for outdoors. Really good for houses that is empty. Never use this kind of product inside the house when there is pets or people. Vital Oxide, however, is doesn't have any kind of odor. It's safe to use around kids and pets. Concrobium, I already did a lot of videos about concrobium mold remover or control. I like this Clorox hydrogen peroxide. I have videos about that. In a spray and in a gallon too. Lysol, everybody knows about Lysol. It will disinfect and kill 99.9% of virus and bacteria. People need to read all the specification and the labels, okay, the instruction. People spray and then wipe. No, you have to spray it and let it sit. Let's see if I can. No, let's see. No, okay. Kill in 10 minutes and kill in 10 minutes. So you have to wait at least 10 minutes to really disinfect all the areas. Please read the labels. For commercial purpose offices, I use Diversi. This is a HIPAA disinfectant cleaner. SEP, I love this brand. This detergent disinfectant is ready to use. Another Diversi product, no acid bowl and bathroom disinfectant cleaner. Peroxide by Diversi 2, general purpose cleaning with hydrogen peroxide. You can use that in carpets, in wool, in any kind of surface. Really good. It is green seal certification. It's the same. Hand sanitizer for ourselves, for the car, for our backpack, things like that. An Ecolab Oasis multi-quad sanitizer too, depending of the condition of the commercial building. Our mask, 3M N95, boxes and boxes and boxes. the shoe covers. Thank you, Delfina, for sending me the shoe covers. I have another box that is almost empty, and I will open the other two boxes. Our disposable mask and some glove. I bought a lot of glove, but I bought the S for Hilda, but Hilda had to travel. This is the other box. It's almost empty. I have to reorganize everything. Oh my god. But the shoe covers that comes in that box is this, the blue ones that we use when we go inside the house, depending of each job. Well, I'm gonna continue working. I just wanna make a video showing you that today is Sunday and I'm working, I'm sweating, and as soon as it's finished I will record. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support our business. Let's see if I can move my camera. I'm sweating, right? Well, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. 407-572-4118. Everything is horrible because I have to organize today.